which is where inferential statistics come in. We use this type of statistics to make inferences about a larger population based on a smaller sample. As an example, you might have heard that our slogan for viscous cat food, 8 out of 10 cats prefer viscous. They didn't need to test every single cat in the world to be able to make this claim. Instead, they selected a small amount of sample, and from this, we can draw a conclusion that 80% of cats are likely to prefer viscous over other cat food. Inferential statistics can also be used to test a hypothesis. For example, if we wanted to know whether there is a significant difference in academic performance between males and females, or we wanted to see whether that divorce rate in Maine correlates significantly with the per capita consumption of margarine, we would use inferential statistics to say whether we can accept or reject our hypothesis. But, of course, as this example suggests, we have to be very careful about the conclusions we draw from statistics. If we don't collect our data correctly, or we visualize it in a weird way, or we run the wrong sort of analysis on it, that we can be misleading either accidentally or deliberately.